Hey guys, so I was trying to upload a live video on YouTube but it didn't work. I'm just going to make a little quick video of me unboxing this little Xenomorph. By the way, you can see my reflection. I am just on my glasses and my hair is like so disgusting. I just woke up and I'm not going to show you guys my face, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just going to do the Xenomorph unboxing video. So yeah, so this is the Xenomorph, the vinyl figured vinyl, and this is the little guy that I'm looking for, and this is a pop, and this is Xenomorph number 430. And yeah, this is from the movie Alien Covenant. I don't know if you guys watched it, but you definitely have to watch this movie because it's so amazing. I mean, you have to watch all of the Alien movies. I don't really have a favorite. I just love all of the Alien movies since I'm like maybe 12, I don't know, younger, I'm not sure. I just know that I always loved all of the Alien movies. All of them are amazing, and yeah, my mom loves it too, so I think it's like a family thing. So here is the Xenomorph from the Alien Covenant, and yeah, this is the guy. So I bought the Xenomorph because it's like it looks a bit like all of the other aliens. It's like almost the classic one. I was going to buy the Alien Queen, but that was too scary and it was too expensive, so I'm going to do that next time. So this is Daniels and David. Oh, I want David. He's the most cute robot ever. I love him. And this is Xenomorph. I'm not sure about this, but I love it anyway. This is Oram and the face hugger holding his face. So collect all of the Funko Pop super stylized vinyl figures. Alien Covenants, 20th Century Fox Film Corporation, all rights reserved. Funko Pop is a trademark of Funko. So, Xenomorph. Yeah, let's go. I'm going to put this here. Just a moment. Okay, let's go. And then nothing inside the box. So click. Oh, my cute little Sheena. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, isn't he such a cute little baby? Look at his head. Oh my gosh. Oh. He has like these things on his back. I don't even know the name of this, but it's just so bionic. Oh my god, I love the details in this. Look at his arms, like the goo. Yeah, look at this little hand. He's holding me. Ah. Oh my god, look at these teeth. Can you see his eyes? I'm not sure if you can see his eyes, but yeah, his eyes are like around here. Can you see? is so scary, right? He's staring into my soul. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at his teeth. He's so amazing. I don't know why I'm doing this voice, but yeah. I just get a bit excited when I have these things. I've always wanted an alien. Look. Oh my god, I hate this noise. Sorry. Look at his tail. Wait. Look at this little tail. It's Sparky. That hurts. His little feet. Oh my god, wait. Look. The little feet. Focus. No, it doesn't focus. It's so funny, right, guys? I uploaded a video unboxing another alien thing, and now I'm showing this. I've been talking about aliens so much that I just found this on the store. It was so strange. I never really saw this guy here where I live, and I've always wanted one. I'm so happy. Yay! Yeah, so I don't even know if I'm going to keep the box because I never save the boxes. That's why I film the videos. So I have a memory of the boxes. But I might save this one because I love aliens so much. So yeah guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you my little Xenomorph, and yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Comment on this video, tell me your favorite alien movie if you ever saw it, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn the notifications, or else my alien guy is going to get you. No, I'm just joking. But yeah guys, hope you guys like this video and my little alien. Okay, bye. Bye.